NASA successfully conducted a hot fire test of its Space Launch System (SLS) rocket, a giant booster designed to fly humans to the Moon. All 4 engines of the SLS were fired to full thrust at around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time for nearly 10 minutes. Engineers provided power for all core-level systems of SLS, loaded more than 700,000 gallons of cryogenic propellant into the fuel tank, and launched the rocket's 4 RS-25 engines at the same time. It generated 1.6 million pounds of thrust, just like an actual launch. The hot fire is the 8th and final test in a series of complex tests called green runs. This is done to ensure that the core phase of SLS is ready to take off. Its first uncrewed mission to the Moon is Artemis, which is expected to fly in the second half of 2021. For the first time, scientists figured out the origin of dawn storms, how they erupted, and how they were stronger than expected. Juno revealed that the dawn storms are formed by isolated luminous points in the aurora on the night side of the Earth. When Jupiter rotates, the storm will propagate into the day, and it will emit a brighter light, spraying thousands of gigawatts of ultraviolet light into space. At its brightest, the energy produced by the dawn storm is at least 10 times the energy produced by the typical aurora of Jupiter. Jupiter's auroras appear when high-energy electrons flow through the magnetosphere of the gas giant and pour into the upper atmosphere to excite and illuminate the atmosphere. These glowing rings are visible at the planet's north and south poles. Earth Asteroid 2001 FO32. The largest asteroid made its closest approach to Earth on March 21. NASA said that this asteroid is not threatened by a collision. The asteroid was closest to our planet on March 21 at a speed of 124,000 km/h. Since 2001, FO32 has been tracked for the last 20 years. The asteroid didn't come closer than 1.25 million miles to Earth. FO32 will not approach the Earth again until 2052. And once this happens, it will pass 1.75 million miles away.